How does Salesforce and Quip work together? This video covers a use case where Keiko was able to improve her HR business process by 200%. Welcome to 100 Days of Trailhead, where the tech community comes to learn Salesforce, learn tech, get inspired, and invest in ourselves. We are your trail guides, here to support you on your learning journey. We release videos weekly. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. In the description below, you can find links for everything we mention in this video, as well as books and resources we found useful. Visit our blog, 100daysoftrailhead.com, for other helpful Salesforce and tech content. Are you interested in leveraging Quip with Salesforce? Did you know that this combination has been used in an HR use case to improve HR processes? This video covers how Salesforce and Quip can be used to improve your user experiences. Keiko Niimi works in an HR department and is in charge of new graduate recruits in her company, USE. She leveraged Salesforce for automation and recruitment management. Keiko is a system admin and is a 3-time Salesforce MVP.
Thank you for checking out my session, Leveraging Salesforce plus Quip, Improving HR Process 200%. I am honored to be given this opportunity. I'm Keiko Niimi. I'm a Salesforce MVP. I have got the Golden Hoodie in Salesforce World Tour Tokyo 2019. I live in Tokyo, Japan with my robot. I work in the HR department and am in charge of new recruits in my company. We use Salesforce for SFA and recruitment management, and I am the system admin for both orgs. Although the number of infected people in Japan is lower than other countries, our lives have also changed a lot. What I would like to talk about today is how I was able to achieve my goal in this pinch situation in a positive way while leveraging Salesforce. By the way, do you know about Japan's unique job hunting system for new graduates? In the new graduation lump sum hiring method, companies recruit new graduates in bulk each year, conduct an employment examination while they are still in school, make an offer, and have them work immediately after graduation. Recruitment for new graduates in Japan starts in March every year. Last March was the time when COVID-19 hit the world. Before the COVID pandemic, all of the selections were done face-to-face. First, job hunters make an appointment for an information session with us through the job application website. Next, the students were invited to our office. They received a pamphlet, application guidelines, and other paper materials. Those who wish to apply will then undergo a selection process. However, due to the pandemic situation now, we made changes on our hiring process. Please refer to the to-be section below. We conducted our company briefing session online. However, there are two problems here. There was no way to distribute what I had previously given them in paper form, and no way to confirm their intention to move on to the next stage of the selection process. So I used Salesforce and Quip to make the following improvements. I made summary page and application form, and I have to implement all this in a week. In the following pages, I will show you what features I implemented in a week for these two modifications. The first solution is to create a summary page. I used Quip to create a summary page just like a corporate website. I can set up file attachments, links to screening application pages in just a few minutes. As I don't have the authority to edit an actual corporate site, Quip was a strong ally for me. At first, I used only text to describe the site, but then I made improvements and was able to create this stylish page. Now, let's look at another solution. The second solution is to create an application form for the selection process. An engineer from my company created a survey package. I used it to create an application form that is mobile friendly. In addition, I used the process builder to implement the ability to send an automatic email after the application ends to copy the application to other objects. All of this was done in just a week, and I was able to successfully bring the recruitment process online. I will explain how the results were achieved in the next slide. Our company was able to recruit as usual, and since other companies have stopped recruiting, we were able to attract 200% in April. Furthermore, in September 2020, we received more than 800% more applications than last year. There were a lot of other companies that had stopped hiring because they couldn't handle the change in flow. Even in the IT industry in Tokyo, there were only about 600 companies that were able to hold information sessions and sections. Even though there are 1,300 companies listed on recruitment websites. This success story is not something I realized in a day. I have spent years studying in the Salesforce community before today. All of my previous experiences so far have helped. It is thanks to all of you that I am able to present here now. I contribute to the Trailblazer community every day because I want to give back to Trailblazers. I would be very happy if more and more people like me would see a pinch as a chance for change and be positive. Let's continue to learn together. Thank you.
And with that, we're at the end. How do you plan on using Quip and Salesforce together? Comment below. We would also love to hear what video topics you want us to cover in future videos in the comments. If you've made it to this point, we want to take an opportunity to say thank you. Since you stayed with us, here's a bonus. Japanese people have a unique job hunting process. Did you know that university students have to start their job search a year before they graduate? The link can be found in the description to learn more about the changes in the Japanese job hunting process. Thank you for spending time with us. Please like and subscribe to our channel because we share weekly content to support your tech and Salesforce learning journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. We also handpick these videos which we recommend you watch next. Connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and on 100daysoftrailhead.com, all of which are listed below. Thank you for learning with us, and we'll see you back tomorrow.